Hello everybody, so this is Chysis Langleyensis crossed with Chysis limminghei. It's currently in bloom in the greenhouse where I volunteer, and this is a semi-deciduous orchid. As you can see from the pseudobulbs, they're leafless because they lose their leaves, usually pretty much all of the leaves during winter. And once spring or summer comes in, new growths come by and produces a spray of flowers. The flowers in this one is much more resembling the limminghei parent. As you could see here, if you look limminghei in online, you would definitely see that the webbing on the lip, yellow coloring on the lobes, and the blush on the petals are definitely characteristics of the limminghei parent. Also, it's very interesting for me personally that the fragrance of this one resembles of jackfruit. It smells very tropical fruit scent coming from this one. And as I've checked, limminghei is the flowers on limminghei. As I checked online, they tend to last longer. So I would guess this would be much more of a last longing, probably like 2 to 3 weeks in bloom. It's just that it needs a winter rest for it to bloom. So it's one of those orchids that require a winter rest and only happens like once a year or something like that. I don't really have something like that. I don't really have a lot of orchids that have uh, a, a blooming season once a year. I would rather have an orchid that blooms all year round. But of course, orchids have different characteristics. They grow differently, they bloom differently. It's just have to. It's just much more of it comes. It boils down to if you like the flowers on this one. Definitely in person, it does look much more stunning in person. The colors are not really that much vivid here, but in person you would definitely see the pink mixed with the blue indigo color on the tips of the petals. It's much more nicer in person. So there you go. If you'd like to add this to your collection, definitely check out one. See it online. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also click on the notification bell if you want to get the latest updates on my uploads. Alright, happy growing, my orchid friends, and have a nice day.